Good morning, children. Children, we have already completed our chapter number 10, Measurement of Capacity. Now we will start our next chapter, that is chapter number 11, and our name of the chapter is Money. Children, all of you are aware about money. For our daily needs, we purchase goods from the market. In exchange, we pay money to the shopkeeper. This money is in the form of coins and notes. You might have seen at home now. Commonly used coins are rupee 1 coin, rupees 2 coin, rupees 5 coin, rupees 10 coin. All of you may see at home, and commonly used notes are rupees 10 note, rupees 20 note, rupees 50 note, rupees 100 note, rupees 200 note, rupees 500 note, and rupees 2000 note. Many other denominations are. You may look at home. Ask your parents to show different denominations of coins and notes. Children, the type of money used in a particular country is called its currency. The currency of our country, India, is the rupee. At present, we have different Indian coins and different Indian notes. I have already shown you. The symbol for Indian rupee is rupee sign. The symbol rupees is always written before the amount in rupees. And children, 1 rupee equals to, we write in this way, rupee 1, and 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. In short, paise is written as only P. We use a point for separating rupees and paise. The number on the left hand side of the point shows rupees and the number on the right side shows paise. Here rupees 75 and 60 is your paise. This is your rupees and this is your paise. Now children, let us write 75 rupees and 60 paise in words and in figures. In words we will write it rupees 75 and paise 60. Okay, so in words you will write rupees 75 and paise 60. But when you will write in figures, so you will use this symbol. So you write rupees sign and rupees is your 75, write 75, and paise is your 60. So you will put here a dot and then you write 60. That is rupees 75 and 60 paise. Now children, suppose you have to express 40 rupees in words and in figures. So in words, there is only 40 rupees, there is no paise. So you will write rupees 40. Because there is no paise, so you will not write anything for paise. Write only rupees 40. Now in figures, we will use the symbol rupees 40. So no paise na, so decimal 00, 0.00. So you will write rupees 40.00. Okay. Now move to third example. Express 45 paise in words as well as in figures. Now children, there is only paise, no rupees. So for rupees we will use 00. Now in words you will write paise 45. Because no rupees, so in words you write paise 45. And in figures you will write, use the symbol rupees. For rupees you write 00.45. So rupees 00.45. This is in figures. I hope you are getting. Okay. The paise part on the right side of the point is always expressed as a 2-digit numeral. Suppose we have 2 rupees 7 paise. So you will write it rupees 2.7 is a single digit number. So you have to make it a 2-digit number. So you will use 07. So we will write rupees 2.07. Paise is always two-digit number. I hope you are getting. So children, today only introduction part. Now in next class we will start our exercise. You note down the given PDF in your note copy and revise it. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.